November 10th, Stock Playbook. This is Dave Dispinette giving you a small little peek of what we do on a nightly basis for our subscribers. Dow Jones up 112 points, 1%. S&P 500, as you can see, up 10 points, also just shy of 1%, 9/10. NASDAQ lagged, only up 3 points, 1/10% on weakness from Apple, which we've had as a short now for some time. Light, heavy volume, lost the 50-day moving average. Let's see how it acts at the 200. I still think Apple has a date, short term 350. Ultimately, I think the stock visits $300 a share. AAPL. I wouldn't go shorting it. You don't short at 385. You're supposed to short up here at 405. We still have a top here at 410. If you get another bounce up that way, I think you can get short again. Looking at news shorts, Salesforce.com. They have earnings coming next week. This is a name we've also talked about to the short side. If you look at these earnings plays, whether it's, I'm just going to fire through them quick. Blue Nile, gap down. Price Smart, PSMT, big gap down. Rovi, ROVI, has a nice gap down. There's Rovi, sorry. Rovi. Pegasystems. We didn't recommend any of these for earnings plays, but you could see where, I apologize, Pegasystems, gap down, OpNet, OPNT. You'll see that a lot of stocks, they're dropping a lot quicker than the ones that are running up higher. So Salesforce.com, OPNT, it gapped down. Trust me. So Salesforce.com, I like the stock as a short, but it is a great company, and it's got a cult following. So if you're short, I'd stay short, but buy the 140 upside calls maybe as a hedge. If you're not short already, I wouldn't go short and now into a volatile event like the earnings. I would take a look at some of the out-of-the-money puts, whether it be the 110s, the 105s, even the 100s. If Salesforce goes bad, there's enough people, I think, that'll pile on this thing to the short side where it could sell off, $20, $30 relatively quick. To the long side next week, ZAGG, Z-A-G-G. Pulling back towards the 200-day moving average. Volume's been picking up. I'll use options to go ahead and play ZAGG. If you look at the weekly chart, this is a stock we start buying down at, $3 a share, 2 and change. Had a phenomenal run. Now pulling back on lighter volume, but the institutions still like the stock. I still think ZAGG goes higher. Has a decent size short position, almost 9 million, 10 million shares, 30% of the float. They come out with a good revenue number, good earnings number. You could see a squeeze. I think you could see the stock bounce up to $14, $15 a share. ZAGG. That's really it for the stock playbook for tonight. We talk about a lot of other stocks in our video tonight. Sign up. We tell you what we think about the market. Greece Prime Minister, S&P fake downgrade of France's debt today, and then they said it was a computer glitch. Oil approaching almost $100 a share. Sign up for free trial, stockplaybook.com, and see what we're doing with everything else. Have a good night. I'll talk to you tomorrow.